Today we did a little bit of wiring and I got pretty demotivated and gave up. So we'll finish it tomorrow probably. But here's that. So we got most of the wiring done. This is for a window switch to roll the window up and down. And it's got a much thicker gauge wire that I'm trying to crimp it to, and I don't have the right size crimp fitting. And I'm really just kind of not feeling it today. So we're just going to call it where we are and pick it up tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll see you tomorrow.